Meaning of flashmob.
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 Flashmob. A flashmob is a spontaneous gathering of people organized through social media or other means to perform a brief, unexpected, and usually choreographed performance in a public space. Flashmobs can take many forms, ranging from dance routines to freeze actions to mass singing, and typically involve a large group of participants who disperse just as quickly as they formed. The result of a flashmob can be a wide range of emotions, from surprise and delight to confusion and even anger, depending on the context and audience.